Here in the intake zone, every component, from microchips to motors, is meticulously scanned and sorted.
This automated sorting system is the backbone of our production, ensuring every drone is built with unparalleled efficiency and precision. The continuous scanning beams analyze each chip with surgical precision, ensuring zero defects for the next generation of autonomous drones. In this state-of-the-art facility, precision is paramount. The pick-and-place robots work in perfect sync. This is the reflow soldering process. The boards travel through distinct temperature zones, ensuring every joint is perfectly formed.
Here in the testing zone, automation ensures precision. The probes scan each board, verifying connectivity.
Here, robotic arms assemble the core components. The motors then...
Inside the drone factory, the continuous motion of these machines allows for rapid production. This high-pressure injections. Under the bright LEDs, the carbon fiber is precisely cut by high-speed blades. This continuous motion allows for rapid assembly. These robotic arms precisely organize the components, reflecting the high-detail engineering of the S-10 drone.
Here in the main assembly line, the carbon fiber frames meet their aerodynamic shells. Our synchronized robotic arm...
As the drones move down the line, the synchronized motor installation sequence begins, a ballet of high-tech precision ensuring optimal performance.
The integration of the flight control systems is a delicate dance of precision. Each colorful wire is meticulously routed and secured within the frame.
The battery is carefully aligned before being inserted into the power unit slot. Once connected, the system activates.
In the optic station, precision is paramount. The robotic arm carefully integrates the 4K camera module.
Here in the calibration chamber, the multispectral sensors undergo rigorous testing using precision lasers to ensure accuracy across all wavelengths.
Firmware updates are critical. Here at the installation station, every drone receives the latest guidance software before deployment.
Here in the testing facility, the drones undergo their initial power-on sequence. This systematic activation ensures figures. After installation, each propeller undergoes a rigorous high-speed balancing test. This eliminates vibration, crucial.
The synchronized movement of the assembly line ensures peak efficiency, delivering thousands of units, fully calibrated.
Here in the main arena, the latest models undergo rigorous flight testing. As the drones lift off in perfect...
During the stability calibration phase, the drones autonomously compensate for turbulence, ensuring pinpoint accuracy in the field.
Drones utilize advanced sensor fusion, dynamically adjusting their flight paths to navigate the complex obstacle course with pinpoint precision.
Than tuning bulbets. The high-speed submaneuver simulation allows us to test the limits of motor acceleration. Notice the rapid directional change.
In this continuous motion test, the drones analyze the calibration charts, demonstrating real-time object tracking and adjustment capabilities. The digital overlays provide a high-fidelity 4K visualization of the autonomous mapping process, crucial for off-world deployment. Scene 27, the drones undergo rigorous testing. Here, the GPS signal calibration system locks coordinates with unparalleled precision.
In this arena, we push the boundaries of autonomous flight. The synchronized patterns demonstrate the future of aerial logistics.
In this simulation, the drones navigate a complex environment, demonstrating near-perfect precision and advanced collision avoidance.
The environmental stress test pushes the quadcopters to their limit, demonstrating their remarkable resilience against high-velocity winds.
Inside the drone factory imaging lab, we use cinematic lighting and moving targets to test stabilization, ensuring ultra-realistic, continuous smooth footage. Inside the long-duration chamber, we push the limits of battery technology. The telemetry data confirms.
This is the fail-safe test. The drones deliberately simulate catastrophic failure, allowing the system to practice controlled emergency landings. As the jamming pulses increase, the drones must adapt.
Signal integrity is down 40%, but the stabilization protocols are holding.
Utilizing advanced laser guidance, the drones execute flawless autonomous landings. This calibration sequence...
The optimization loop is critical. As the new parameters are uploaded, the system analyzes the flight data in real time.
Here in the loop arena, we conduct continuous flight cycle testing to ensure repetitive reliability under the most stringent conditions. This is the final stage, the certification check. Every unit must pass the rigorous scan.
Approved. Certified.
Here in the packaging area, the drones are systematically placed into their protective cases, ready for distribution.
From this final conveyor line, the finished products advance directly to distribution, ready to be shipped worldwide.
In this massive facility, synchronized robotic forklifts manage the flow of thousands of drones, ensuring
Inside the drone factory's audit order picking line.
The conveyor system moves at incredible speed, utilizing advanced heat sealing technology before the final labels are applied.
In this state-of-the-art facility, the synergy of human oversight and robotic precision ensures that the
continuous coordinated flow of drone shipments represents the pinnacle of automated logistics, ensuring rapid deployment across the network.
The International Transit Network revolutionizes global logistics.
This regional hub processes thousands of packages every hour, utilizing advanced robotics to ensure next-day delivery.
The displays here are designed to highlight the precision engineering of each aircraft, bathed in soft, reflective light.
The drone factory offers unparalleled access to advanced aerial technology. The new stabilization features make this.
The unboxing experience is crucial. Every component is secured in this precision-cut foam, ensuring the drone arrives in perfect condition.
And with a smooth takeoff, the prototype clears the hangar, beginning its first true assessment under natural light. From the factory floor to the highest peaks, our drones provide an unparalleled view. This is the future of urban logistics. The Nexus LF-1s navigate with towering accuracy.
In this high-speed demonstration, the factory's security drones prove their efficiency against agile intruders.
Soaring over the drone factory natural environment reveals a landscape of breathtaking beauty and untouched wilderness.
Welcome to the drone factory. Here, athletes push the boundaries of movement, and our cameras are right there with them, capturing.
While the actors rehearse the scene, the production team meticulously captures every angle, ensuring the documentary feels utterly real. Drones are revolutionizing infrastructure inspection in industrial settings. This quadcopter performs precise.
In this scenario, the drone autonomously scans the structure. As the sensors acquire a potential victim, the agricultural monitoring flight provides crucial data, reflecting the health and hydration patterns across the fields.
The drone factory utilizes advanced aerial technology to survey thousands of acres. This golden hour flight provides critical data on crop health and irrigation.
As the city sleeps, these drones are just waking up. This is the future of nocturnal logistics.
This synchronized movement represents a leap forward in swarm technology, capable of forming complex three-dimensional patterns. As the drones scream through the refurbished factory, the pilots must master these rapid directional shifts. In this highly automated facility, FPV drones navigate the assembly lines with incredible speed, guided by laser scanners. In the modern age, content is king, and speed is everything. Our drones capture the moment, and our network makes it. From the assembly line to the furthest corners of the globe, drones are reshaping how we work and explore.
Welcome to the heart of the continuous flight loop. Here, thousands of drones maintain the endless cycle, ensuring seamless global delivery.
Technology and human ingenuity are integrating at an unprecedented pace here.
RP04 confirms stable hover. The adjustments look good on the schematic.
From the ground up, the assembly line is a symphony of precision. Now, from above, we witness the...
This facility represents the full life cycle integration of our drone fleet. Production, logistics, and usage, all bathed in the golden light of dawn. The latest in autonomous flight technology takes to the open sky.
The carbon fiber blades rotate at speeds exceeding 12,000 RPM, a mesmerizing display of precision engineering.
Here in the clean room, the drone's optical zoom mechanism is tested. The lens elements shift with micron-level precision, ensuring perfect focus every time. From this vantage point, the sheer scale of the operation becomes clear. a continuous flow of innovation powering tomorrow's world.
Inside the assembly complex, the latest models undergo rigorous speed testing. The rapid acceleration ensures mission readiness upon deployment.
Welcome to the proving ground. As the swarm shifts from a helix to a localized wave, the precision of the guidance system is on full display. Inside the drone factory, we witness the future of coordination. Dozens of autonomous move as a single. This is the drone factory cityscape. Every evening, thousands of automated vehicles. From these heights, the sheer scale of the continental divide becomes apparent. Sunlight reflecting on the global drone network is rapidly expanding, connecting continents and ensuring seamless delivery across.
Designed for the professionals, the Hero drone combines aerospace-grade materials with an intuitive flight system. Seen here
inside the drone factory, every metallic body undergoes a rigorous reflection sweep, ensuring high detail precision in 4K resolution.
The sensor array initiates its boot sequence, the blue light indicating full operational capacity.
In this abstract environment, the concept drone floats, showcasing the seamless integration of design.
The lifeblood of the facility, this vibrant cyan energy is meticulously channeled through the conduits, powering the next generation of autonomous flight.
This facility is the heart of the integration, producing the thousands of drones that now navigate our urban airspace daily.
From this vantage point, the curve of the Earth is unmistakable. Below us, the automated drones of
From precision manufacturing to optimizing construction and agriculture, our drones are redefining efficiency across multiple. Our diverse team of engineers is pioneering the next generation of drone technology, focusing on intuitive control and seamless integration into our daily lives.
This facility represents the pinnacle of automated innovation, where technology expands at an exponential rate. This is the culmination of Project Nightingale.
As the sun sets on the assembly line, the true scale of the operation becomes clear. The night shift is about to begin. Precision is paramount in the assembly of the new Dragonfly series. Here, the Class 4 laser sweep detects imperfections smaller than a human hair. The cyan glow along the edges isn't just aesthetic, it's a real-time diagnostic of the energy flow through the composite structure. The assembly line represents the pinnacle of autonomous manufacturing. As the lights dim, we are left to deep within the automated factories. The next generation of aerial technology takes shape under the cover of night.
From initial assembly to rigorous stress testing, every drone is built to the highest standard before deployment.
Precision engineered, assembled by advanced robotics, and rigorously tested. This is the life cycle of the synchronized flow of energy through these conduits is the lifeblood of the factory, powering the seamless construction of every unit. The assembly line never stops. Here, the future of defense takes shape. Precision, crafted by machines.
The factory runs with silent precision. This final light flicker signals the completion of the drone's.
When the world sleeps, the factory rests. But even in stillness, the silent sentinels are continuing. The subtle glow returns, illuminating the intricate designs of the next generation of drone. Inside the assembly core, the energy burst reaches critical mass. The visualization confirms the continuous flight cycle ensures maximum efficiency. This is the future of aerial logistics.
This facility represents the pinnacle of autonomous manufacturing. Every drone assembled here moves us.
Stillness is only temporary. In this state-of-the-art facility, even the silence is precisely engineered.
Inside the drone factory, we witness the birth of a new era. As we ascend, the horizon beckons, promising limitless possibilities. Deep within the automated factories, the future of defense is assembled in silence. The subtle reappearance of light signals the awakening of the automated workforce within the drone factory.
And here we see the final product. Every curve, every propeller, meticulously crafted under the soft glow of the assembly lights.
journey is complete. This glowing marvel represents the ultimate future of flight, born here